In order for your application to be available to the world, you need to set up a server that's connected to a high-speed internet connection and it's powered on 24 hours of the day. There are many ways to accomplish this. Let's review the most common ways to host our application. Bare metal hosting means that you actually buy your servers and either rent an internet-connected cabinet on a data center or you build your own data center in your premises. Some companies choose to go this way if they have special security requirements or if they want to control every aspect of the hosting system like Google or Facebook. The second type of hosting available, thanks to the creation of virtualization software, is virtualized servers. The process here is that a bare metal server is divided in a handful of sub-servers that have their own file system, CPU, and hard drive resources, which are monitored by the virtualization application. You would then rent on a monthly basis this piece of the server. One of the providers I used back then, and it's still around, is Linode, which offers servers as cheap as $5 per month. They also offer customer support 24/7, and I highly recommend them as an option. A huge shift occurred in 2006 when Amazon announced they would be offering their server infrastructure for developers to rent, and the whole infrastructure as a service industry was born with AWS. The difference between IaaS and virtualized servers is that IaaS servers can run for fractions of time. You can spin up a server for 1 hour and charge just for that hour. There's also a large range of servers, from least powerful to very powerful. Other companies have spawned since then, including Rackspace and DigitalOcean. Typically, the low-end servers cost around $15 per month, but at this time, AWS also offers a free tier, but it's limited to 12 months. A new wave of server hosting came about with the creation of platform as a service hosting. These providers allow you to concentrate on just writing your application, and they take care of the rest, including server provisioning, scaling, and database hosting. Some of the most popular ones are Heroku, Google Cloud Platform, Red Hat OpenShift, and Microsoft Azure. One of the benefits that PaaS providers give you is the ability to try out their services for free. In this course, you will learn how to deploy your application in one of the most popular PaaS providers, Heroku.